St. John of the Cross once said, "In the evening of life, we will be judged on love alone." In the evening of life, we will be judged on love alone. What St. John of the Cross meant here is, when our journey on this earth ends, when we stand before the Lord, we won't be asked about our positions, achievements, or wealth. We will be asked only one question: did you love enough? And that is what St. Paul's in the first reading reminds the Thessalonians in saying that love is the only and the main essence of Christian life. He reminds them that it is God who has taught them to love one another and urges them to grow more and more in it. What is striking here is St. Paul does not say, "I have taught you to love one another," or "the apostles have taught you to love one another." He says, "God himself has taught you to love one another."